You are watching the tutorial of Godox new product, Auto Flash AD300 Pro. It supports photographers to freely use outdoors and in the studio, providing an ideal source for various photography. AD300 Pro is a powerful and lightweight outdoor strobe in a compact size. High-quality VA display, built-in large-capacity lithium battery, will cycle in 0.01 to 1.5 seconds, offering 320 times flash in full power. Compatible with TTL auto flash system of a major brand's cameras. Support high-speed sync up to 1/8000 seconds. You can turn on the stable color temperature mode when AD300 is not in high-speed sync mode to maintain the color temperature in 5600 Kelvin plus minus 100 Kelvin. AD300 Pro comes with ADE2 brackets to adjust ankle stability. The Godox mount can be attached with a small and portable Godox accessories when used with AD-AB adapter rings and X2 bracket. AD300 Pro can be installed modifier with various mounts. After power on, press the wireless button to turn on the built-in Godox 2.4G wireless X system. Long press the wireless button to turn on the high-speed sync. Plus the GRCH button to set up the group. Long press the GRCH button for 2 seconds and roll the wheel to set the channel. Then press the wheel to confirm the setting. Press the FN button, select F7. Set the ID to avoid duplicate channel interference. And press the testing button to test. Then press the move button. TTL, manual flash, and multi-flash will display on the screen in sequence. Roll the wheel to set up the parameters such as the output power, flash time, and hertz. Press the wheel again to confirm the setting. The color temperature of the motoring light can be adjusted. Press the motoring light button to turn on motoring light. Long press the motoring light button to enter the setting interface. Roll the wheel to adjust the brightness of the motoring light. Then press the wheel, the number of color temperature on the screen will flicker. Roll the wheel to adjust the color temperature. Press any button to confirm the setting. Motor trigger on the camera hot shoot. Set the channel ID and group the same as the AD300 Pros and get started. This is the tutorial of AD300 Pro. For more information, please follow the official Godox website and social media accounts. Thanks for watching.